Tonight, new data from a small study in South Africa suggests Pfizer's vaccine is less effective against the Omicron variant, a 40-fold decrease. But the research, not yet peer-reviewed, does show those who were infected and vaccinated fared much better, indicating boosters may provide added protection. Spreading around the globe and now faster here at home, Omicron infections have now been identified in over a third of the nation. Reason for concern, but not alarm. The new variant is not fueling the current spike in cases in the U.S. What we're seeing at hospitals like this one and across swaths of the country are a direct and deadly result of Delta. Fatalities up 57% since last week.
Hospitals, particularly in our state, we see all 7 of our regional hub hospitals have ICU capacities well above 100% of their licensed capacity.
While Delta is driving 99% of new infections in the U.S., fear is fueling Omicron concerns. Today, the White House COVID task force sharing this chart to demonstrate the explosion of new Omicron cases in South Africa. Still exploring its transmissibility, officials say because of the virus's many mutations, early evidence suggests increased infectivity. For that reason, it could become the dominant strain here at home.
I think it's unclear at this point what that would mean if Omicron were to replace the Delta variant. It's a combination of adding Omicron into everything else that we're dealing with is what's cause for concern.
Expected to be detected across the country in the coming days, Omicron appears to be infecting Americans through community spread. Too early to know the true severity of the disease, anecdotal evidence suggests it might be less severe than Delta, but many of the infected are young and healthy. Some of the sick were vaccinated and even boosted, a critical layer of protection, especially now, say experts.
I would not at all be surprised if it's somewhat a little less effective, but I'd be very surprised if it didn't provide any protection at all.
Still, fearing a wave of new infections, some companies, including Ford, are rethinking or delaying a return to work. But authorities say family gatherings this holiday are safe if Americans follow long-standing advice.
Know this, everyone in North America is either going to get vaccinated or you're going to get COVID.
Tonight, preparing for Omicron while still facing Delta.
And Miguel, with Omicron cases rising, what is the CDC's latest recommendations on Americans who want to travel during the holidays?
Well, Lester, the CDC says for those who want an added layer of protection, those at-home testing kits can provide just that if you take one before meeting family. Meantime, by next week, it's expected we'll know more about the variant, including how well vaccines protect us.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.